What's up YouTube? It's your girl Dom back in another YouTube video. In this video, again, we're not doing makeup. I'm actually switching gears. We're going to be doing cryptocurrency. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Telcoin on the KuCoin exchange, okay? Telcoin is something that I've been telling a lot of people to at least look into. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you advice. I'm just telling you what I'm invested in. And one of the big things is Telcoin. And I've been getting a lot of questions on where is Telcoin listed? How can I buy it? What do I do? This video is for you guys. I'm going through the bare basics on how to buy Telcoin, where it's listed, and all of that jazz. So for those who already know what they're doing, they already know how to buy and sell crypto, this video is not for you. This is for the newbies. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So I am going to be doing a screen recording of everything that I'm doing on my phone. That way you can see it on the side of the screen. So first you need to download the KuCoin app. And this is mine. And this is basically the home page where you would see all of the top cryptocurrencies out right now, what their percentages are, how well they're doing, as well as all of the other features that KuCoin lists. Something that you see on the bottom, they have top gainers and top losers. Top gainers would be the coins that have done the most successful for that day, and then top losers would be the ones that have done poorly for the day. And I'm just gonna go over the navigation bar on the bottom. We have home here, we have markets. Basically, market is like a snapshot of how every coin that is listed on KuCoin is doing. We have Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, we have Cardano. And basically, again, it shows you the current price, what they're trading at right now, and it shows their percentages as far as movement. Anything green means they're doing good. That's how they're moving upwards. Anything red is obviously anything that's going downwards. Now, next button that we have is the trading platform. This is actually where you would buy and sell whatever coin that you're trying to get. Again, for this video, we are doing Telcoin. Now, futures, that is more like margining and for margining experts. I don't do margining. I have no idea what that is, so I don't use this feature at all. But if you are someone who uses this feature, go ahead and drop a comment. Let us know how you use it, what it's for, because I really don't know. Now, the next one, assets, that's basically all of the coins that you currently hold. Any buys or sells, or you can go here to find your sell history or anything like that. This is where you would go in your assets. So like I said, in order to do anything on KuCoin, you have to create an account. Obviously you would have had to have done this before you can do any of this. So you would go ahead and make your username, your password, things like that. Again, I'm gonna go to home, and in the top left corner you're gonna see my initials, DO. You're gonna click on that. And basically, if you already have an account, you will see this. You want to go to security, and you want to set up your login password. You want to make sure you have a two-step authentication password protected on your account, because there are some hackers out there. So go ahead and set that up with a Google authentication. Put in your email, and then you need to make your trading password before you can buy or sell anything. It'll ask for a trading password, so make sure you have that set up. Make sure it is a 6-digit number that you will not forget, because I forgot mine, and it was such a hassle to try to get it reset and contact KuCoin, and you got to verify your identity, and it's just so much stuff that you got to go through. So write it down and don't forget it. So now we're gonna go back into the trading button on the bottom of your navigation bar. This is the button that's in the middle, and I'm basically going to explain what we're looking at here. So on the top left, you have your spot, you have margin, you have fiat, you have the trading bot. We're just going to be using spot. That's all we need. Now you have your buy and sell. Anything bought, that's green. Anything that you sell would be in the red. Now you have all of these numbers that are shifting on the right side of the screen. Those are your buy and sell orders, okay? Like I said, anything that's in the red is something that has been sold. Those are sell orders. Anything that's in the green, those are buy orders. Now, when you see this number that's in the middle of both of those two, that's basically the balance between what's being bought versus what's being sold. If more things are being bought, price goes up. If more things are being sold, price goes down. That's basic supply and demand. Now, when we are buying our coin, the first thing that you need to do is search for the coin. I'm already on Telcoin, but I'm going to show you what you would do if you wanted to, let's say buy something else. So you would click on the TEL/USDT, and that little search bar, that is where you would search whatever coin that you're looking for. In this instance, we're doing Telcoin. So I would type in TEL, TEL. Now, the three things that you see listed here, those are the trading pairs. You can trade Telcoin for USDT, Telcoin for Bitcoin, or Telcoin for Ethereum. Now, depending on what method you use to fund your account to begin with will determine what trading pair you would use. Now, there are a couple of ways that you would fund your KuCoin account to begin with. One, you can buy directly from your bank account. Now, in order to do that, I probably should have showed you this first, but you would go to Home, and then in the middle right here it says buy crypto. You would click that where the little hand is. It's pointing at the Bitcoin. You would click that, and you would say, I want to buy what coin? Do you want to buy BTC? You want to buy Ethereum? You want to buy USDT? So you would select, whatever coin that you're trying to buy. Let's say we're buying Bitcoin, and you want to spend, I don't know, let's say $200. You want to buy $200 worth of Bitcoin, right? Then you would use whatever card you're trying to fund it with, credit card, debit card, and then you would choose what company that you want to go with, Bank X, Simplex, or that third one. Don't know how to pronounce that. Now, me, I don't do this because it takes a long time. The second way that you can fund your KuCoin account is you can buy Bitcoin off of Cash App. Now, if you choose to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, you have to send the Bitcoin from your Cash App wallet to your Bitcoin wallet on KuCoin. Now, let me show you how you would do that. So let's go into Cash App really quick. Boom. There's a button. It's like the second to last button to the right. You would click that. You would click buy. You would click how much money you want to buy in Bitcoin. After you have done that, you're going to send to your KuCoin wallet for Bitcoin. So you would go back to KuCoin, you would go back to assets. And when you deposit any type of coin, one, make sure you have triple checked the address wallet, because if you send it to the wrong address, that money's gone forever. So you would click deposit. You would click whatever coin you're trying to deposit in. So for this instance, it would be Bitcoin. And then you want to choose your trading account. Now, the difference between your main account and your trading account, it's basically like a safety net for those who are new to the game. Like, main account would be for coins that you're not actively trading right now. These are long-term investments. Your trading account is for the coins that you're actively trading, because you don't want to accidentally sell, a coin that you've been holding on for, 3 years. It's not matured yet. You don't want to sell that. So you would keep that in your main account separate from what you're actively trading. That's like a safety net on your side. So because we're about to trade this, make sure you deposit your Bitcoin from Cash App into your trading Bitcoin wallet on KuCoin. And make sure you're using the BTC, not the TRC20, not this other, whatever this thing is in the middle. We're not using that one. We're not using TRC20. We're using the standard Bitcoin. And what you would do is you would copy the address, because you're depositing into this wallet. Copy, you would paste it into the withdrawal address on Cash App, and then you can expect to see that money in your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, now for me, I already have USDT in my wallet, so that's what I'm going to be using to trade for my Telcoin. So, like I said, we're going back to, we're going back to trade. That's the center button on the bottom of your navigation bar, trade. We're gonna search TEL. And again, because I have USDT, I'm using the TEL to USDT pair. Just like if you had tickets from Chuck E. Cheese, you cannot use those tickets to get a prize from Dave & Buster's, right? You have to use the tokens and the tickets from Dave & Buster's to get a prize from Dave & Buster's. So let's say you funded this transaction with Bitcoin from your Cash App, you have to use the Telcoin to Bitcoin pair, because you can't use Chuck E. Cheese tickets at Dave & Buster's. You know, you have to use that at Chuck E. Cheese. So, you know, anyway, so yes, since I already have USDT, that's the pair that I'm going to be using. So I would click USDT. So this is the spreadsheet again. We've already gone over this. The things on the right side, anything red, those are sell orders. Anything that's green on the bottom, those are buy orders. Now, make sure that you change the going from limit to market. You're going to confirm. Now, the reason why you would do that is because if you select limit, your order will not sell unless the conditions are exactly matched. So let's say, do not fill this order until Telcoin is at this price, right? So let's say you're trying to buy something really quick and the price goes up or the price goes down. Your order will not go through because the price has changed. And let's say you wanted to buy Telcoin at 5 cents and it went to 6 cents and it kept going up. Now it's at $1. Your order never went through because you specifically said to buy at 5 cents. Since it never went back down to 5 cents, you never bought it. So I choose market because that means you're buying that coin at that specific price at that moment in time. So make sure you switch from limit to market. It's also faster. So now that you've done that, you would choose how much money you want to use in USDT. I forgot an important step. Now, my USDT is actually in my main account because it's something that I just had sitting there. So what I would do, I would go to my assets, main account, and you see I have $255 in USDT currently sitting in my account. So what I would do is I would click transfer at the top. I'm searching for the currency I'm trying to trade. So it's USDT. And we're trading from our main account. We're transferring from our main account to our trading account. And we're transferring all of it. Confirm. Now, all of my money has been sent to my trading account. I don't have anything in my main account. Cool, perfect. Back to trade. Everything is already set. The pair is Telcoin to USDT, as you can see in the top corner. We're doing buy. This is the buy order. It's on market. So whatever price it is at this moment, that's how much I'm going to purchase it for. Now, current price is 5 cents. 5.5 cents, whatever. Underneath where it says available USDT to trade is 255.0438,361. You can either use 25% of that, so we're going to select that. That's 63 USDT. You can use 50%, which is 127, 75%, which is 191, or we use 100%. That means I'm using all of the available funds in my USDT wallet. Now, keep in mind, there is a slight fee, and it says that on the bottom. There is a fee of 0.2547894 USDT. And that's it. After you have all that taken care of, we're going to hit buy. Again, we're buying at market. enter your trading password. You have successfully placed your order. So make sure you guys are not investing more than you can afford to lose, because you never know. Things may flop, things may not work out. You might lose all of your money. I don't need y'all coming for me trying to sue me, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So this was just a simple video on how you can purchase Telcoin on the KuCoin exchange. If you guys have any special requests or have any questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comments below. I will try my best to either make your requested video or get you the right answers to your questions. So that's been another video, and I will see you guys in the next one.